Hey guys, this is Chad with Dark Monk. It is December 6th, I believe, and I just got the electronics package for my new CNC machine, and this is me unboxing it, and I'm super excited, and I can barely wait, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'll fast forward it so that you get the quick effect. But
this is for my 3-axis CNC machine. Back of it. Front of it. How much cable? This is the small power supply. Breakout board. Holy cow. Boom. That's a motor.
well, sadly the controller card did not come. Motor driver cards didn't come with this package, so it was shipped separately. I was hoping they'd be shipped together, but they're not. So sadly I can't wire this up as it is. But it does remind me I need some ribbon cables to be the outputs from this motion controller card to go to the inputs of this guy, this breakout board. So I'm going to also need to order those cables. Yeah, but there's the start. My God, these are huge motors.